Welcome back to this video, and as from the title, my niece is teaching me how to make mkate wa Sinia, and I thought we should record this video so that we can also learn together. She started by soaking 2 cups of rice, and that is overnight. That is 2 cups of coconut milk, 1 cup sugar, but feel free to adjust accordingly. What you're seeing there is yeast, and she used 15 grams. And this is cardamom, or rather iliki. She added everything in a blender and blended until she got a good consistency. After blending, cover for around 30 minutes before moving to the next step. Kwa sufuria, she added some cooking oil and we let it heat on medium heat. So make sure you're using medium heat. She then added the mixture and let it cook for roughly 40 minutes or until it became solid. And at this point, she's using low heat. At this point, she transferred it to the oven and grilled for 10 minutes. And that is the end result. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe.